What happens when the world's fastest production car goes head-to-head against two of the most extreme motorcycles ever built? Luxury versus insanity, four wheels versus two. Let's find out. First up, the hypercar monster, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine, making 1,600 horsepower with all-wheel drive and launch control. It weighs nearly 2,000 kilograms and costs over £4 million. Now the bikes on the left, the terrifying Kawasaki Ninja H2R, a supercharged 1-liter engine, 310 horsepower, and just 216 kilos of pure madness. This thing is basically a missile.
Now, that hurt!
And finally, the Italian weapon, the Ducati Panigale V4 SP2, a 1.1-liter V4 engine, 216 horsepower, only 195 kilos, and built for absolute precision.
Oh, that sounds nice. The Kawasaki just hurt. Really did.
Quarter-mile drag race. Feel the thrill of speed.
I'm talking everyone.
The bikes explode off the line. The Bugatti struggles for grip. And the results?
T1. It completed the standing quarter mile in 9.6 seconds. The Kawasaki took 9.7 seconds, and the Ducati was last, crossing the line in 10.4 seconds.
Let's kick things off.
Oh! I'm going sideways, go! Going so sideways there, come on! He's got me.
The rolling race kicks off at 50 miles per hour, and wow, the Kawasaki H2R just takes off. Its crazy power-to-weight ratio leaves the Bugatti and Ducati in the dust. Once it's moving, this bike proves it's a serious contender. Finally, we move on to the braking test from 100 miles per hour full emergency stop. The bikes fight to stay stable, but the Kawasaki H2R stops first, showing incredible control and rider skill. Even against a hypercar, the bike takes the braking win. The bikes dominate launches. They're lighter, faster off the line, and brutal. But once traction, stability, and top-end power matter, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport proves why it's one of the greatest hypercars ever built. If you enjoyed this insane race, smash that like button, subscribe for more extreme car and bike battles, and I'll see you in the next one.